Hey YouTube, welcome back, and today we are making buffalo chicken salad. Just to let you guys know, this video is on the loop. It's a pretty short video, but it's pretty simple. So to start, I diced up my lettuce, I diced up my tomatoes. Luckily for me, I already have shredded carrots, and I topped it off with peppers and cheese. Now with these following seasonings, and as well as having my pan on high heat with olive oil, I was able to sear my chicken thighs to get that really nice color, which I really loved. After cooking the thighs, I diced it up and tossed it in my Frank's Red Hot sauce. And I also topped off my salad with spicy Avocado Ranch, but you can use whatever sauces that you would like. So like I said, this video is on a loop, but I just want to thank you for taking the time out for watching my videos. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yes, thank you so much for stopping by.